I think this year you could see the dominance of AI in the conversation, from networking to compute clusters, but what we're here at Seagate trying to make sure people remember is that data storage is still critical to the ecosystem because all of that data, all of the models, all of the checkpoints, all of the data sets have to be stored somewhere long term. And from an economies of scale standpoint, the Seagate solutions and the portfolio are what all of the big customers, all the big CSPs utilize. We are critical in the overall system. We may not be the closest to the sun like the GPUs that are getting all the excitement right now, but you cannot do 20, 30 type solutions for applications without data retention of all of that, all of the user data that's out there floating around that we don't even know what we're going to do with yet. You don't want to throw away because in 3 or 5 years, you might say that, oh, that parameter is going to be very useful. Let's pull it out of the mothballs and utilize it. And if you don't have it, it won't be something that you can utilize. And I think it's exciting to see this evolution continue. What the iPhone did for data storage, we're now seeing the GPU do for data storage, but we're still in the infancy. People don't realize that where we are on computation and capabilities are still scaling with semiconductor nodes, and so there's a lot of change still coming. The hyperscalers and even the big OEMs and on-prem solutions are looking at how to do and grow capacity at scale, right? It really is the economies of scale for them, right? So they're leveraging their big S3 infrastructures, data lakes to continue to serve the data to their compute clusters over their networks and between regions and between sites. And so hard drives and other data solutions continue to be critical to all of that data. Right? We're creating more data, and we need to consume that data, and then we need to process that data. And if it's data at the endpoint, at the edge, it needs to still move up the food chain to the GPU clusters to actually get processed.